Okay, and I will share the screen. And browser. Here we go. All right, everyone. Today is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. Welcome to the MicroProfile live Hangout. A link to the meeting minutes is in the chat. Thanks, Emily. And please click on the link and add your name to the list of microprofilers. Organization's optional. And a link or this meeting will be uploaded to YouTube. It will find its way there. So let's see. Sorry, yeah, a link to this recording will be pushed up to YouTube. Alrighty, it's everyone's shared shared responsibility to take notes. Rough start to the meeting today. Wow. Excuse me. Um, Really what I had on the agenda today is DevNexus marketing because we're kind of hitting some deadlines. We need to get swag defined and ordered. Typically, we cover this in the marketing call, but I don't think we had enough people in attendance to actually make decisions around that because it's spending our money, right? So I wanted to have a little bit more input on that. That's primarily it. I don't know if we're going to talk about the budget today. Emily, anybody else have anything to chat about today?
No.
Okay. All right. So what I am going to do is scroll to the marketing section. Let me do one quick check. Sorry. I did, thanks, Emily. I did send Shabnam an email. Let me just check and see if he replied. I CC'd you on it, Emily. Just basically asking what Jakarta's going to be doing around booth staffing and the actual banner. So let me just double check to see if he replied. I didn't give him a whole lot of time on that. I just sent it before the call. So yeah, I don't see anything. So like I said, I didn't give him a whole lot of time for this call. So we do have a banner that we could use. Oh, all right, I don't know why it's doing this. Just before the call, I had to reboot my laptop, and so I guess all my logins and stuff are not working. Um, we do have a sample banner. That link doesn't work for me, which probably means it doesn't work for everybody else either. It's probably cached on it's probably linked to my local hard drive cache. But basically, we do have a sample banner, a pull-down banner that we've used in the past. If we can't share a banner, if they've already printed theirs on the Jakarta side, then we can print our own. Vince preferred we have a shared one. So let's see how Shabnam replies on the banner. Um, the overall tracking issue is here. On the call yesterday, we did discuss quantities of shirts and the sizes. So we've got you can see the breakdown here. And sorry, I'm gonna see if I can figure out who's on the call. Somewhere I've got another window. Here we go with everybody's video. Okay, so we've got hoodies, t-shirts, socks. I'm going to ask that we hold off on the socks, Emily, for Dev Nexus, just because I prefer we get a good design and use it later instead of trying to rush a design. We've got stickers, and then of course the display board. So on the hoodies, this points off to another link on the drive. Sorry. Um, I think this needs to be updated. I'll just pull up the PDF. Oh, geez. Um, I thought we had, that's the front. Is there a second page? Oh, this is page one of one. Oh, that's the front. This is the back. That's one shirt design. We're going to have to update the members. Ryan knows this. We have to remove Red Hat and Primeton. Um,
Uh, can we also do we have to put 2024 there? Because once you add the year, it's very easily to get auto date, and then people say, "Oh wow, that's older hoodie or something like that." Can we remove the year from the logo, from the?
okay. Yes, we can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to the Git issue. Um, so this is what, okay, this is the design that Ryan posted yesterday. So you saw the source of it by me digging through the Google Drive. He conveniently kind of posted it here. During the live Hangout call today, a couple of things were called out. One, remove Red Hat and Privateer, which he knows already, which we discussed during marketing call yesterday. And uh,
Just don't say working group 2024. Just have the name and etc. Just remove
well,
the
what
top line.
the reasoning for the year probably is because our working group membership changes over time, right? So if we do this and another member joins or a current member removes themselves, then with no date, then forever on forward, people are going to think that, for example, Red Hat and Primeton are currently, when we give out the shirt, working group members.
Does
That's the
it
downside.
matter? Does it matter? Because
No,
I don't think it matters that much.
any other thoughts?
Uh,
Yeah, one thing.
because yeah, go for it.
Sorry, Emily. Yeah, my question is about Payara and Azul. I'm not sure if we need to provide now the name, the new name, because of the yeah now the
Oh,
combination of
right.
Payara and Azul. So I am going to check with Lukman probably from marketing to see if we need to use now the new name or wait.
Yeah. Please check on that like really quickly because I think we are up
Oh,
against the clock on getting things printed. Um, and then we'll also have to update the website if that is based on that discussion as well.
One comment on the the word below the MicroProfile logo at the bottom, that font has an L and an I that look the same. And so if when I glanced at that, it first looked like a typo. It looked like MicroProfile
yeah,
Ooh,
0.
good catch.
yeah. Okay. So for now, I'm going to say remove working group 2024. So shirt is year agnostic. Okay, that doesn't need to be hyphenated. Um, can we update at MicroProfile IO?
Yeah, is
This,
that just the
see,
function of the font? That the lowercase L and the uppercase I are the same, or
yeah, that's the official MicroProfile font, right? So that's in
mm,
slide decks
right?
and everything. So this is
Yeah,
going to be the challenge,
yeah.
right? But to use a different font or um,
Yeah, I was checking the
the
website and yeah, the
L
capital I is like that. But I think it's worth to mention there.
MicroProfile and I in IO look the same. I'd be surprised if people wouldn't understand that. But
Well, there's no actual anything on there that actually says MicroProfile anywhere else.
Yeah, that's why I scrolled up. You're right. I thought there was, and there's not. On the front, what's the front logo? Sorry, I was going to scroll up again. I think the front just has the logo. Does it have the word MicroProfile too? Here's the front. Yeah, it's got capital L. Yeah, there is no IO here, right? Yeah, the I and the L look the same. No, it's I. No, the L's capitalized, sorry. So that's not a problem on the front of the shirt.
I think it's because the back is a X handle, so that's why.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think just leave it. We're running out of time.
Maybe use all. How about this? Maybe use all caps, like on front of shirt. MicroProfile. IO.
Oh,
Ooh, that
I
looks
don't
ugly.
I don't think so. I
Yeah,
think I think is the front is you cannot differentiate I anyway. And also if you type MicroProfile IO teacher, is the L exactly same as I. So I don't I think should be fine. You could if you look if you type x.com MicroProfile IO.
If I type it like
If you type MicroProfile IO, that's exactly that looks the same.
yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't
Yeah,
worry much.
okay. So I'm gonna leave number 3. A few things were called out. Is your agnostic? Okay, hold on. I literally just got an email from Shabnam, so hold on just a second as well on this. Now, out of curiosity, is it still displaying my browser when I put another window over the top of it? Do you guys still see my browser window?
Yeah, we are still seeing the comment you're adding the GitHub issue.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if it'd go blank or something because I'm not sharing, I'm only sharing the window, not the entire screen, which is why I was curious if I put something over the top, it would still show it. Okay.
Yeah, no
So,
worries.
they're going to reuse the banners last year for Jakarta EE. So I think we're going to have to ship our own banner. And they have their own staffing and booth sign up sheet as well. So I'm going to copy that link. All right. So hold on, just sorry, I'm going to switch over here and put down booth sign up link for Jakarta EE. I haven't even looked at the link, so but I just wanted to make sure I got that in there before we switch back. Okay, so we're gonna have to use our own banner. Okay, does this look good to everybody on the call?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. B. We'll point down here. Okay. Oh, and then the quantities. Oh, this is right. I'm gonna do this. That's on the shirt design. Now, if we go back to the actual tracking issue, I I think the quantity of these shirts probably look okay. Look okay, everyone? I'm going to take the experience of people that have worked the booth before. So
This amount is for the Dev Nexus.
Dev Nexus only.
So this is just a T-shirt.
That's correct.
What about the hoodies?
That's TBD. We haven't gotten there yet.
Oh, okay.
So we discovered discussed this. It was me, Emerson, and Ryan on the call yesterday. And Emerson just brought up these quantities, and 200 sounds about right.
Yeah, I think it should be fine.
Okay. All right, let's go to the hoodie now. Hoodies are going to be more expensive. I don't have the prices quite yet.
I think we should do less. We should do yeah. And
I mean,
also it's
money's not the problem, right? We got plenty of budget for swag this year. We've got to spend it. We got to spend it in Q1. So
but we don't need to use them all up because this year that's purely this year's stock. We don't have any other budget, and don't know.
Well,
yeah.
no, during the steering committee call, Sharon said that we can move that budget forward, but we got to spend it in Q1.
Yeah.
So this is last year's budget, yeah.
Yeah, last year's budget. This year we don't have a budget. So my
Correct.
point is, we can order, but we don't need to use up in Dev Nexus. I'm thinking maybe Dev Nexus 200 T-shirt is enough.
Yep.
And for the hoodie, we order it and then we distribute it and use up for this year and maybe possibly for next year as well.
So do we think we're not going to, are you recommending that we do not do any hoodies for Dev Nexus?
I think we can do not too many. I would just say maybe 20 or something like that.
That number sounds about right to me.
Yeah. Today is more expensive and we need to use they have to earn it. We need to also plan what we need to do a survey or something.
Okay. Oops.
Maybe
Preview.
two XS 5.
Okay.
Maybe 1 XS and 2.
Okay, here it is. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out. I want to make sure I'm editing the right one here. Okay. Hoodies. Because it shows the ticket number, not the title. So that's why I'm trying to make sure I edit the right one.
Okay.
All right. After quantities in sight, let's see. MicroProfile hoodies. Okay. Design. It's just after design. Okay. So it's 112. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say, oops, am I editing? Yes. Total 20.
Can you copy the size from the top and then we can, thank you. Maybe 2XS. Yeah, 2XS. And then that's 4. And then maybe 2 small. Yeah, 2 medium.
That's 4. That's 8 total. Most are large and extra large, right?
Yeah. And then
4.
Yeah. 4, 6. That's how many?
Oop, that might be 20 already.
Yeah.
So let's do 5, 5, 2.
Yeah, sounds good.
12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay.
Yeah. This sounds about right. I think that's a job done for this.
Do we really need that much XL t-shirts and hoodies?
Well, I'd be XL.
Okay.
Nah, well, actually, this is in the US, right?
Yeah, that's the US.
We tend to be a little bit,
Generous.
generous in our size. So, if you want, we could do 4 and 6. I'd be okay with that too. But actually, I think 5 and
Yeah.
5 is probably about right, to be honest,
Yeah,
in the
fine.
US. All right. Now for stickers. What we did for stickers. I'm gonna have for the hoodie design. Sorry. This is shirts. I think the hoodie is the same. Oh, here it is. Here's hoodie. All right, so that's the back bottom. Hoodie front. Hoodie back. So this need to be updated as well. Same problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. So use prior hoodie design. Update. Let's see. Was it the other? Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where I wrote down the was it this ticket? No. Okay. Darn it. Where did I oh, here it is. Um in fact, I'm gonna go in here and edit. No, this is this t-shirts only. I'm gonna say these comments apply to the hoodie design as well. Okay. Update comment. Copy link. No, it's a tracking issue. Doo-doo. This preview thing is really screwing me up here. Now in here I'm gonna put down the same comment for the t-shirt design applies to the hoodie. There we go. Just double check the link. Yep. Okay. And at Ryan St. James. Okay. So the hoodie design comment's going to be the same. Um, stickers. That's what I am going to do now on the sticker issue. At Emerson, please provide final sticker decision. Okay, with the long There's a 2-inch, if you guys remember, there's a stickers that has a MicroProfile logo and the word MicroProfile. It's like 2 inches wide or long. So it's not a square, it's a little bit longer. I'm okay with that being all 2000, to be honest. I don't know if we necessarily need to have multiple designs, but we're all 1000. But you mentioned a second design that we can split 500 each.
I like the
Are-
one.
are
I like
those
the
the-
one is a longer, no longer one is a rectangle one. It's not wide. It's tall. That one is really nice.
Yeah, there was one that was too big. He said was too big. It was
Yeah.
like so
One is too big. There's two design. One is long one. The other one.
yeah, this is the one I'm referring to.
Yeah.
So that's a
there's
long
another
one.
Okay.
There's another one. It's not a long one. It's a tall one. Oh yeah. Make it small. Make it not huge. This is
Okay.
too big. This
That was the problem. Okay.
so
For
500.
the
Yeah. For that one. Resize. Make it smaller.
okay. There. All right, so we got the stickers.
Yeah, for stickers, I think for Demnexus, we don't need to give all 1000 to Demnexus.
We can still bring it though. I mean,
So we can
Okay.
I don't think
oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that, yeah.
We have our sticker model here.
Got the wrong person for that. Yeah, I don't know. These are what, maybe not even a ½ inch tall. I don't know. I always thought they were a bit small, but that's just in my opinion.
½ inch
Yeah.
tall. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
anyway, make
Yeah.
it smaller. I don't know how many inch.
Mm.
Suddenly I realized, it's we can
Yeah.
give some sticker to the jugs. Like Michael,
Yeah.
your jug can have some. And also
Yeah.
in DevNext is a lot of jug leaders will be there. The first day there's jug leader meeting. I will distribute some to the jug leaders.
Yeah. That's a
Yeah,
good
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I-
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1000 good.
Okay. Now, do I have? All right. So I already sent that one. All right. Now for the booth design, I want to based on a email exchange with Shabnam, they are going to reuse their Jakarta EE banner at Ryan. We can we update our banner? Okay. So this is the swag on the drive. This is the wrong ticket. Sorry, I am just really struggling with getting the right tab. Okay, this is the booth. This is the preview. I'm looking for the booth display board. I think in this ticket we have a link. So I'm gonna change it here. So let me go back down here. Go to the display board ticket. Or we can reuse the prior banner design you had based on our marketing call yesterday. Needs to be updated. I have no idea about sizes. Does anybody have any idea about? I can find out. We can ask Shabnam what size Jakarta is using and print the same size. We don't want to be competing in the same booth by having one larger than the other.
Yeah, good
I can
idea.
ask. Okay. All right. I wish I could find a link. Let me see if I can bring up the marketing call meeting minutes.
What link you want? I can
A link
help.
to the banner design.
Or banner design. Okay.
Yeah. We don't have a 2026 marketing call.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't have it here. Okay. I'll ask. In fact, let's go back to the ticket here. Let me go back to the ticket and ask.
Well, I
Edit
found
this ticket.
one. I found one.
Yeah, paste it in chat.
Yeah. I found let me put in the chat. So you can the chat. Where's the chat? Here. Okay.
Are you slacking it or are you putting it in the meeting chat?
Chat. Click on the
Okay.
link.
Oh, that's funny. Okay, this is it right here. Okay.
Did you see the chat?
Yes, I'm pulling it up. Oh, it's in the wrong browser. Sorry, it came up to my default browser.
Oh, I see. Yeah, always happens to me as well.
Yeah, I always use. I never use my because I don't want to go back and edit videos if I show company confidential stuff. Okay, this one.
Yeah, go down.
Where is
Go down.
here we go.
Go down. Also need to design change the remove Red Hat and Brampton.
Yeah. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'm going to copy this link and go back to the ticket. Emily found this design, which looks fine, except for list of members. Okay. All right. So that's the display board. We got the hoodie stuff pretty much done. We've got the shirts done, stickers done, kind of. Gonna leave it up to Emerson to pick the other design if he wants to. What else do we have? I think that's mostly it, right? Socks. I'd like to hold off on the socks just so we can get the design right. Emily,
Yeah.
and then that's all right. That's I think that's all I've got for today.
And then we are done then.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah,
okay?
John. Yes, John.
Yeah.
I will double check with my team regarding all the marketing stuff because I am not sure. I shared it with Dominica and also probably Lukman to check and
Okay.
confirm.
Sure. Yeah, that'd be awesome. In fact, before we drop off, then I think I closed it. Where's the main? This is the main ticket. I'm gonna put something in here. Oh, that's because I'm in the preview one. Do not print until we get confirmation from Ayara on updated logo. Okay. Is it going to be too big? Oh, do I need a space? I'd say that's pretty
That's good. That's
obvious.
good.
Okay.
I can read that. I can read that without my reading glasses.
Without reading
Should I make it
glasses.
blurry? We need to bring back the blinking fonts. Okay.
Yeah. That looks good.
All right, thanks. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure it's like really obvious because, okay.
Won't miss
No,
it. Great.
actually, I'm going to say updated name because we're not printing logos.
Yeah, good idea. Yes.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, then.
All right,
Thank you.
everyone. Thanks a lot. Reply to this ticket, Alfonso, can you reply to this ticket on the results of your conversation regarding the name?
Yeah.
Okay, so for your convenience, I'm gonna paste this link straight in that message chat.
I shared right now to Dominica.
Okay.
So yeah, I will probably tap her on the comment or some comment on the
Okay. Yeah, and this is strictly the name because we don't print logos on our stuff, but it's also useful. At some point, we'll have to update the website with logo as well. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Great.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank
All right, folks.
Bye.
Good to see you. All right.
Likewise.
Bye.